Electrostatic potential store. This is the energy store associated with an object's charge. So, we do not need to know the equation for this for GCSEs. However, it's useful to know some of the components that affect it. We have EE, which is energy electrostatic, is equal to Q1, Q2, which represent the charge of each object. So on the left we have a Van de Graaff generator. The globe is positively charged and the wand is negatively charged. The stronger the charge, so the more charge there is, the greater the energy. And also on the bottom we have 4 pi epsilon 0. We could ignore that term as a constant, but we have r, which is the distance between the objects. So the greater the distance between the objects, the greater the energy in the electrostatic potential store. So if you think about a person placing their hand on a Van de Graaff generator, you'll know that their hair begins to stand on end. Now when the hair does that, it starts to move. That means there must be energy in the kinetic store. The question is, where did that energy come from? The answer is the electrostatic potential store. When a person places their hand on a Van de Graaff generator, it removes electrons from the surface of their hand and the surface of their skin, which also removes electrons from the rest of their body. Eventually it removes some electrons from the hair, which causes the hairs to become positively charged. At this point they repel each other. Just like a magnet and a north pole and a north pole repel each other, or a south pole and a south pole repel each other, then positive charges repel one another, forcing the hairs to repel each other.